The Honourable Speaker, Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Deputy Prime Ministers, the Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable Cabinet Ministers, Honourable Members of Parliament, students in the public gallery, viewers who are watching through television, broadcasting live from the comfort zone. Honourable Speaker, I rise today with great pride to address this esteemed House regarding a momentous occasion that transpired just days ago. On Wednesday, 15th May 2024, the Ministry of Youth and Sports had the distinct honour of investing 10 outstanding youths as gold awardees for the Duke of Edinburgh's Awards program at the State House. The auspicious occasion was officiated by His Excellency, the President of Fiji, Ratu William and Maivalili Katuriwet. His presence and support further underscores the significance of this achievement and serves as a source of inspiration for our young awardees. Honourable Speaker, the Duke of Edinburgh's Awards program, founded by His Royal Highness the Duke of Edinburgh in 1956, has been a beacon of excellence, character development, and service for countless young individuals across the globe. It is a program deeply rooted in the principles of self-improvement, community engagement, and personal growth. The program has a rich history in Fiji, dating back to the 1960s. However, since 1999, it only marks third Gold Award event recorded, bringing the number to a total of 77 Gold Awardees nationally. Since its inception, the program has empowered thousands of young Fijians to explore their potential, develop essential life skills, and contribute positively to society. Participants between the ages of 15 years to 24 years engage in a variety of activities across 4 key areas: service, skills, physical recreation, and adventurous journey. These experiences foster personal growth, self-reliance, and a sense of responsibility. The program is implemented mostly in schools and in youth clubs. On achievements, Honourable Speaker, recognizing the efforts of the 10 youths and investing them into the gold level is a privilege, as it exemplifies the very essence of this prestigious program. They have demonstrated unwavering commitment, resilience, and a spirit of adventure through their journey, which culminated in achieving the highest accolade, the Gold Award. Each of these remarkable individuals has traversed a challenging and transformative path, encompassing 4 key components: volunteering, physical fitness, skill development, and adventurous journey. Their dedication to these pillars reflect not only their personal ambition, but also their profound sense of duty to their communities and society at large. Honourable Speaker, the achievements of these 10 youths are not merely a testament to their individual capabilities, but also a reflection of our nation's commitment to nurturing the next generation of leaders, innovators, and global citizens. As custodians of their potential, it is incumbent upon us to provide unwavering support and encouragement as they embark on the next chapter of their journey. From 2021 to 2023, a total of 1,120 participants registered for the Duke of Edinburgh's International Award. Among them, we have 463 participants successfully graduated at the bronze level. 115 participants achieved the silver award. 77 participants received the prestigious gold award. The progress has been slow, given that the ministry was officially granted an official operating license in 2017 to implement the DEAR program in Fiji. The progress was further impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic due to the restrictions put in place. The program, Honourable Speaker, in the realm of volunteering, our gold awardees have selflessly dedicated hundreds of hours to various initiatives, ranging from environmental conservation projects to mentoring disadvantaged youth. Their altruism and compassion have left an indelible mark on those they served, inspiring others to follow in their footsteps. Moreover, their commitment to physical recreation has not only fostered personal well-being, but has also promoted a culture of health and vitality within their communities. Whether through sports, dance, or outdoor activities, these individuals have embodied the importance of an active lifestyle and its positive impact on both physical and mental health. Equally impressive is their pursuit of skills development, as they have honed talents ranging from culinary arts to digital literacy. Through continuous learning and skill building, our gold awardees have equipped themselves with the tools necessary to thrive in an ever-evolving world, while also contributing their expertise to the betterment of society. Furthermore, the adventurous journeys undertaken by these trailblazers have not only tested their physical endurance, but have also cultivated invaluable life skills, such as teamwork, leadership, and problem solving. From traversing rugged terrain to navigating uncharted waters, they have embraced the spirit of adventure with courage and determination. On implementation, Honourable Speaker, to ensure the programme's effectiveness, the Ministry plans to establish a dedicated team. This team will focus on proper implementation. We will provide guidance and support to schools, clubs, and participants to ensure consistent and high-quality implementation. On monitoring and evaluation, rigorous monitoring and evaluation mechanisms will help us assess impact, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate success. In addressing unreachable areas, we recognize that some regions may face challenges in accessing the program. Our team will explore innovative solutions to bridge these gaps. Furthermore, the Ministry of Youth and Sports is committed to expanding the reach of Duke of Edinburgh's International Awards program as part of its strategic plan, as we recognize the transformative impact it can have on our youth. To realize the full potential of this program, the Ministry will focus on the following: inclusion in schools. We are actively working with the Ministry of Education to integrate the program into schools across Fiji. By doing so, we aim to provide every student with the opportunity to participate and grow. On inclusion in youth clubs, we encourage more youth clubs to take ownership of the program. These clubs serve as hubs for personal development, mentorship, and community engagement. Collaboration with key ministries and stakeholders, our vision extends beyond individual participation. We seek to collaborate with other ministries and stakeholders to reach a wider spectrum of youth aged 15 to 24. Together, we can create a holistic approach to youth development. On Boy Scouts and Girl Guides, Honourable Speaker, in alignment with our commitment to youth development, the Ministry of Youth and Sports is mandated to support the Boy Scouts and Girl Guides. These esteemed organizations share many core values with the Duke of Edinburgh's awards, programs such as leadership, community, and personal development. We recognize the complementary roles these programs play in fostering well-rounded individuals who are prepared to meet the challenges of tomorrow. To this end, the Ministry, as part of its strategic plan, will work closely with these organizations to strengthen the Boy Scouts and Girl Guides program across the nation. This plan includes sourcing funding for training and resources, enhancing collaboration between these organizations and schools, and promoting greater participation through public awareness campaigns. By bolstering these programs, we aim to provide a comprehensive support system for our youth, ensuring that they have ample opportunities to develop their skills, building character, and serve their communities. Honourable Speaker, as we celebrate the achievements of our gold awardees, let us also reaffirm our commitment to nurturing the potential of all our young people through diverse and enriching programs. By investing in their growth and development, we are laying the foundation for a brighter and more prosperous future for our nation. In conclusion, Honourable Speaker, I wish to highlight that there is great interest in the DEAR program, as seen through the steady increase in number of participants enrolling in the program for the last 3 years, and we would greatly need an increase in resources to strengthen this program and realize its full potential. The higher number of bronze graduates indicates successful engagement at the entry level, and the smaller cohort of silver and gold awardees reflects the program's challenging nature, emphasizing quality over quantity. Honourable Speaker, last but not the least, I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each of our gold awardees for their exceptional accomplishments and commendable dedication to the ideals of the Duke of Edinburgh's Awards program. To our stakeholders, parents, and the staff of the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Ministry of Education, for their unwavering commitment towards the development of youth in Fiji. May these achievements serve as a source of inspiration to all young people across our nation, reminding them that with perseverance, dedication, and a spirit of service, anything is possible. Thank you, sir.